Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to configure Palo Alto Panorama local log collector. So first thing we need to do is SSH or console to your Panorama. Okay, once you do this, you need to check your disks details. In my case, you can see I have two hard disks installed, as this is a virtual lab in EVNG. I don't have that much hard disk, but usually your disks should be 2 terabytes each for them to be able to use as a log collector. If they're less, it won't work. So you can see at the moment I have one is enabled with name VDB and the other one is VDC, which is there but is not yet done. So once you install your hard disks and their minimum size of 2 terabytes, you might see all of them or some of them as admin disabled. So what you need to do is do request system disk add and the disk name, which in this case will be VDC, enter yes, and obviously you can see the message. It doesn't work for me because I need to have 2 terabytes. Obviously, but that's the process. Once you've done it, you see here available and admin enabled. So once all these steps is done and you've done all your disks 1 2 3 4 whatever, how many there are, once you've done this, then you can go to Panorama and do the next bit, the GUI, sorry. So here on your Panorama, you have to take your serial number, copy it. Also make sure your system mode should be Panorama or management, otherwise you cannot add the log collector. Next step is go to Panorama, manage collector on the left, click add, paste the serial number, click OK and commit. Sometimes it might work without have to commit, but many times it might have an issue and not detect the disks. So just in case, I just commit after every step. Once the commit is done, go back again, click here, and you should be able to see all the disks. Click on disks, add disks, and you can see all your disks that are available. In my case, it's only A because I can't make any other to work. Click this, get it, commit again to Panorama. You can see status is out of sync, health status is good at the moment. Also it is disconnected. Once done, go to collector groups on the left here, click add, type the name of your collector. You have to choose your Panorama collector, click OK, commit again. Okay, all this done. Now you can go back to collector. So out of thing disconnected. Now you need to go push to devices, edit selection, then you can go to collector groups, click on default and push. Once the pushing done, you can see now we have the status is connected, we have in sync here, everything is in green. As you can see, that was the thing and the push I did. Now everything works as it should be, and you can get your monitor to get the locks done there. Thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.